In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Microsoft SQL Server to Google Sheets. To begin, open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. Starting with a fresh sheet helps you avoid conflicts with existing formulas or formatting, and it makes it easier to confirm that your connection is working. Once your new sheet is open, take a moment to name it something recognizable, since you may come back to it later to update or rerun your connection. Next, go to the top menu and click Extensions. This is where Google Sheets keeps tools that add extra functionality beyond normal spreadsheet features. From the Extensions menu, click App Script. This opens the script editor in a new tab where you can write and run code that interacts with your spreadsheet. When the App Script editor loads, you will usually see a default function already created for you called MyFunction. Click directly on the line that starts with MyFunction so your cursor is placed inside that function area. This is the space where you will add the script that handles your SQL Server connection and moves data into the sheet. Now type the word highlight. As you type, App Script may display an autocomplete suggestion or a small prompt. When you see the prompt, click OK. This confirms the selection and helps ensure the editor accepts what you entered. After that, click on Highlight again in the editor. The goal here is to make sure the item you just entered is selected and active. Then click Highlight once more, as shown, so the correct piece of text or function name is clearly selected. Keeping the correct item selected helps prevent running the wrong code segment, especially as your script grows over time. Finally, go to the top of the App Script editor and click the Run button, which looks like a play arrow. The first time you run a script, Google may ask for authorization. If a permissions window appears, read the prompts carefully and allow access so the script can interact with your Google Sheet. Once the script finishes running, you have successfully initiated the connection process through App Script, and you can return to your spreadsheet to confirm results. And that is all there is to it.